Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment Hub Studios. So today in this video, we will review the application whose name is, as you can see, today in this video. And first of all, I welcome you in our YouTube channel Empowerment Hub Studios. So today in this video, we will talk about the application whose name is To-Do List Schedule Planner. So here you can see this is the application and has have developer account, is a diary app and notes and audio editor and voice recorder. So the full name of this application is To Do List Schedule Planner. So this is the name of application, and in our YouTube channel Empowerment Full Studio we will show about this application. So as you can see, this app has 4.7 ranking and 10 million plus downloads and rated as 3 plus rated. So as you can see, these are the pictures showing here about this application. Now scroll down and let's click on about this app button, and here you can see some more details about this application whose name is To-Do List Schedule Planner. So first of all, we need to read this about this app. To-do list, daily schedule planner, task, organize, to-do reminder app, calendar. Have you ever forgotten some important things to do? Have you forgotten important movements or an advertisement for your family? Don't worry, use this effective and free task tracker and to-do list task manager free to help you manage time and enjoy an easy life. And as you can see here, mm, so as you can see, reason for choosing this to do list: easy to use and beautiful to do list theme. So you can easily read about this full article here. You can from here you can easily know about this application whose name is To Do List Schedule Planner. And let's scroll down and here show below permissions. Permissions may need when you use related features. Read calendar, write calendar, record audio, read external storage, write external storage. So as you can see here, what's a new easy and beautiful to-do list or task manager? Create to-do list with two simple operations: spot and to-do list reminder app free, start task, highlight the priority of jobs, track your task finished status in calendar and mine page. User friendly and small size. User friendly and small size. So let's scroll down and here it contains ads and Wear OS enhanced weather developer for Wear OS. Let's scroll down and see some app info. This version is 1.02.47.0513, updated on May 13, 2024, and having 10 lakh downloads, which is 1 million. And as you can see, the download size is 22.98 MB. Required OS Android 5.1 and up. In-app purchase 150 to 8800 per item. Offered by Dairy App, Notes, Audio Editor and Voice Recorder. Released on December 14, 2020. App permissions, here is app permissions: calendar, microphone, storage, other etc. You can see here. So this is the version, and required OS is Android 5.1 and up. So this is the best option because its required OS is 5.1 and up. So let's back and then scroll down here. As you can see, it's 4.7 ranking and 4,000 and 43,612 reviews about this application. As you can see, this application is very good application. I recommend you. So I hope you can like over this video that has been uploading on our YouTube channel Empowerment Host Studio. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.